Hi guys, welcome to Techie Fan of India. Today we are here for coding in Python. Yesterday we have done the very first program. So we are here going to do some Python program like syntax. What is syntax of Python? So we'll follow the syntax for each and every programming language. So we are here also for completing the syntax and multiple coding, multiple programs will run one by one. So we can get it from print whatever we are mentioning like Python syntax. And here we are mentioning the code like yeah, if this 5 is greater than 2, 3, 4, whatever you run to mention, then colon, and yeah, 50 is greater than 20. You can mention anything. That's not an issue. Then colon, put it in the next line and write the print. We'll mention here 50 is greater than 20. 50 is greater than 20. Yeah, we can see it properly. And yeah, so we need to use our we want to run, we can run this also because of the output. You can see the output also. Here we can see the output in the good way. As we can see here, the output is 50 is greater than 20. We have not used here proper intention of the complex lesson. That is the reason it is not clear the output. But we can mention as per. If you are understandable, you can manage by yourself. If it's not understandable, use the black slash and for the indentation. So as we have already run this program, in the next we can undo some other thing. Yeah, we use once more if condition, and here we are using it for 50 is greater than 30. There we have used 50 is greater than 20. Here we have changed 1 and we are mentioning here 50 is greater than 30. 50 is greater than 30. Okay, so we have done this to here the 30, and then yeah, then we can go to the new line and we'll mention if the same number means 50 is greater than 40, then also we can use the same one, print 50 is greater than 40. The same way it is, and 50 is greater than 40. Greater than 40. Yeah. So next we are going to the next and running the same code. We are getting the 3 value there. We are getting the 3 value there, and that is only the 50 is greater than 20, 50 is greater than 30, and 50 is greater than 40. So this much we have got it here, and then we are going to do some other things. So we can mention it also here proper way. If we need the proper output, we need to maintain the indentation with the black slash n prefix and postfix both way. Prefix means very first and postfix means and last. So we have already done this much and we are going for the some other things adding here. So we are using like x is equal to 5 and y is equal to Python, and then Python is the best. Python is the best. So what we'll do, we'll we'll use the print function. Inside we are mentioning the y, that and the second function Python we have mentioned here the x. Once we'll run it and we'll show the output. In the below we can see Python is the best, and we can see also that 5 is there. So that's all for here.